Artificial intelligence, AI, has become an invaluable tool for content creators on YouTube, offering a range of solutions to optimize and grow their channels. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out, leveraging AI can help you boost your channel's visibility, engagement, and monetization potential. Here are the secrets to boosting your YouTube channel with AI. 1. AI-powered video creation. Creating high-quality content is the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. AI tools can help streamline the video creation process from scripting to editing. AI for scripting. Tools like Jarvis, formerly Jasper. These AI content generators can help you create engaging scripts for your videos. Simply input your topic or keywords, and the AI will generate a well-structured script that you can tweak and refine. Lumen 5. This AI tool can turn your blog posts or articles into engaging video scripts. It extracts key points and creates a storyboard, making it easier to visualize your content. AI for video editing. Magisto and InVideo. These platforms use AI to automate video editing, allowing you to create professional-looking videos with minimal effort. AI algorithms analyze your footage and select the best clips, transitions, and effects. Adobe Premiere Pro with Sensei AI. Adobe's AI-powered tools can assist with tasks like color correction, audio enhancement, and scene editing, saving you hours of manual work too. Enhancing SEO and keywords with AI search engine optimization, SEO, is crucial for increasing your channel's visibility on YouTube. AI can help you identify the best keywords and optimize your content to rank higher in search results. AI for keyword research. TubeBuddy and vidIQ. These AI-powered tools analyze YouTube trends and suggest the most effective keywords for your videos, helping you choose keywords that will attract more viewers. Keyword Tool. This tool uses AI to generate a list of long-tail keywords based on your main topic, increasing the chances of your video being discovered through related searches. 3. AI-driven audience. Insights and engagement understanding. Your audience is key to creating content that resonates and drives engagement. AI tools can provide valuable insights into viewer behavior and preferences. AI for audience analysis. YouTube Analytics. With AI, use YouTube's built-in analytics to track metrics like watch time, audience retention, and demographics. AI algorithms can identify patterns and trends, helping you understand what type of content performs best. Social Blade. This AI-powered tool offers detailed analytics on your channel's growth, engagement, and competitor performance. It provides insights into subscriber growth, video views, and earnings, helping you benchmark your progress. 4. AI for thumbnail and title optimization. Thumbnails and titles are crucial for attracting clicks and views. AI can help you create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that boost your click-through rate, CTR. AI for thumbnail creation. Canva and Snappa. These design tools offer AI-powered features that suggest design elements and layouts based on your content. They provide templates optimized for YouTube thumbnails, helping you create visually appealing images quickly. Thumbnail Blaster. This AI tool generates multiple thumbnail variations and tests them to determine which one performs best, maximizing your video's CTR. 5. AI for content personalization and recommendations. Personalizing your content to meet viewer preferences can significantly boost engagement and retention. AI algorithms can help tailor your content and recommend videos to the right audience. AI for content personalization. Google Analytics with AI. Integrate Google Analytics with your YouTube channel to gain deeper insights into viewer preferences and behavior. AI algorithms can segment your audience and identify content that resonates with different viewer groups. Brightcove. This AI-driven platform offers personalized video recommendations based on viewer behavior and preferences, increasing the chances of your content being discovered and watched.